I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Hyundai Kona car key, updated. Press the small release tab near the key ring and slide the mechanical blade out, then pry the plastic cover at the seam using fingernails or a thin flat tool. Work slowly to avoid breaking clips or scratching plastic. Keep track of tiny springs or buttons, and place parts on a clean surface so reassembly is simple and quick. Once the cover is removed, locate the battery compartment and note the orientation before lifting the old cell out. Use a non-metallic tool to lift the battery to avoid shorting, then insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Press the cover back until clips snap into place, test the remote functions from a few feet away, and double-check door locks and panic button to confirm proper operation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as shown for a fresh ride. Check the description for the link and other deals to get yours, and enjoy a pleasant drive while working on your keys. Now let's get back to the video. When reassembling, align the internal components and ensure buttons sit flush to prevent misfires. Gently press the cover back onto the fob, moving from one end to the other until all clips engage with an audible click. Finally, test lock, unlock, trunk, and panic buttons from a short distance to confirm everything works, and verify the mechanical blade deploys and retracts smoothly before returning tools to the drawer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.